My dear friends, we are once again very happy to have each and every one of you come to Pilar. Tomorrow we begin the novenas of Venerable Father Agnelo, and we will celebrate on the 20th his death anniversary. Thousands of people will flock to this place, and in view of this, so many new things have come up on the Pilar complex. First of all, you can see this spruced up place. Hot mixing has been done. We can see the light poles, new light poles with new fittings, electrical fittings, and underground cabling works that have been carried out. All this has happened with the kind intervention and lot of help from our dear Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who has given directions and has completed these works right in time. We requested him that these works are needed and they are needed urgently, and he listened to our plea and got it done just right in time for our novenas tomorrow. We would also like to express our gratitude to Chief Electrical Engineer Mr. Stephen Fernandez for taking keen interest to see that this underground cabling works are done in time. For all his workers, especially the agencies that have worked here, we would express our heartfelt gratitude to them. Especially the Minister, Mr. Sudhin Davlikar also, we would like to express our gratitude to him. So let us come to Pilar and experience God's blessings on this hillock.
I am Father Randall Pareto, in charge of the Vice Postulation Office here at Pilar. Tomorrow, the 11th November, we begin the novenas in preparation for the 97th death anniversary of the Venerable Father Agnelo. I stand here to invite all of you for the novena masses every day, beginning at 5:30, 6:45, 8 o'clock, 9:15 and 10:30. We shall also have the evening masses beginning at 4 o'clock, 5:15 and 6:15. The 6:15 mass will be in English. The inaugural mass tomorrow at 8 a.m. will be presided by Right Reverend Simeon Purificação Fernandes, Auxiliary Bishop of Goa. So my dear friends, it's going to be a spiritual harvest. Your presence here will enhance this spiritual atmosphere at Pilar, and we pray for the speedy canonization of Venerable Agnelo. Surely we need you here to storm heavens and to make Pilar a holy place. We welcome you once again. Do come and enjoy your moments with Venerable Agnelo and with the people of God.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.